Those, that rain's going to be moving in.
Those things are so comfortable. When you put that jacket on, you don't feel like taking it off. They're great.
It looked dry then.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, so
coming.
we have a little hole over us, but the rain is slowly shifting in our direction, and so we are going to start to see that fill in, probably just in time for that football game to get started. So it is moving in. Let's go ahead and take a look at the radar and talk about what's happening. We got a bit of a break today in Portland. Meanwhile, you head north and northwest, Longview, Astoria area, and it was just tough to get a break today. Take a look at some of the rain totals just over the last 24 hours, anywhere from 1 to nearing 2 inches or 2 inches or more as you get south of Cannon Beach and over into the Coast Range there. So this is a radar estimated rainfall, so you can see where it has been kind of congregating. Basically the higher terrain and well back to our north, and then also off the northwestern coast of Oregon. Very, very deep moisture moving in. You can see this long line of cloud cover that's transporting all that moisture into the Pacific Northwest, and so it's going to bring in more soaking rains. And so the front, as it shifts over the next 24 to 48 hours, will shift the rain with it, and some areas will just get stuck no matter what. And that's going to be places like southwestern portions of Washington and all the way north, where we have flood watches in effect until early Sunday morning. So you can see how the rain has been coming between Tillamook and Astoria, Longview there. We're still getting it, and it's just starting to fill into the Portland area as we speak. It's really light at this point, picks up a little bit in intensity up towards St. Helens. So we're going to continue to see that develop and move in, and we're going to have that rain continuing through a lot of the overnight hours tonight. As far as temperatures go, we'll stay mild. Temperatures will stay in the 50s tonight. We're at 58 degrees still as we speak, and we're going to be looking at gusty winds too from the south right now at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. So breezy tonight. Right now, just some spotty light rain around. As we head between 8 and 9 o'clock, though, we will start to see that rain pick up, and it'll stay fairly steady for a lot of the Portland metro area, and even dropping south back towards Salem there as we go through the rest of the night, and then it starts to shift again. And so what we're looking at is rain shifting south tonight. We'll see those breezy conditions persist, and then it starts to head back to the north as we go through early Saturday. Then it returns in a big way tomorrow night, and we're going to see chilly showers lingering for Sunday, and we're talking heavy mountain snow. That develops Saturday night, and by Sunday, we're going to continue to see that come down. In fact, the snow level could drop all the way down to about 2,500 feet, meaning we could see some snow for places like Bend, and maybe even a rain snow mix back towards Pendleton. Not a whole lot of accumulating snow there, but at least there will be that potential by late tomorrow. All right, let's talk about the rain tonight now, and this is what's going to happen. We're going to be looking at, as you head towards southwest Washington, some of the areas that have been hit a little harder, anywhere between ½ an inch to nearing an inch of rain. That is just overnight tonight, and then 1 to 2 inches between Newport and Astoria, and then we get a little bit of a break tomorrow, and then tomorrow night we'll continue to add to those totals as the next front moves through, and so our numbers tick up, and we're going to be looking at by Sunday 1.5 inches perhaps up near Portland, and of course it could be higher than that as you head north, and we could be looking at anywhere between 2.5 and 3.5 inches for coastal locations by the time all is said and done. So timing it out now as we go through the evening, you can see those showers develop and swing to the south and east, so rain developing overnight. This is 1 a.m. Tomorrow morning we're still seeing some of that around. It jumps back to the north and west as we go through the day Saturday, giving us a break, giving us some dry time between some spotty showers that could pop up. Tomorrow evening, winds ramp up big time for the coast, heavy showers ramp up, and then we see it hold off for the valley, most of it anyway, until midnight tomorrow night or after, and then we get all of that heavy snow. 10 to 13 inches by Monday afternoon for some of the higher peaks for the Cascade Mountains and up towards the ski resorts. So some good snow there. Your forecast for tomorrow, breezy to flat out windy, 55-mile-an-hour gusts for coastal areas tomorrow afternoon, upper 50s with showers around for us, and you can see that wind forecast will show winds gusting between 25 and 35 miles an hour for the valley tomorrow. 7-day forecast. Temperatures drop Sunday as weather stays unsettled. Highs in the upper 40s with lows in the upper 30s and low 40s too.
Okay, thanks for keeping us updated, Kristen.